Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by grounding your body and stating a clear intention. Do this now. Once settled, name 3 precise triggers because specificity guides action. Next, set a measurable commitment, for example, a 30-day reduction goal, and tell one accountable person. Make an immediate safety plan, an alarm, a safe room, and one distraction list. These prerequisites let you start behavior change today. They reduce friction and create structure so you can move to skill building. Once you have structure, practice concrete skills to manage urges. Use paced breathing. Try 4-4-8 or 6-6 for 3 to 5 minutes because physiology shifts craving fast. Then always perform a 5-minute replacement routine when an urge hits. Walk, call a supporter, or do grounding 5-4-3-2-1. Make a habit of logging each urge with time, intensity on a 1-10 scale, and what you did. Over time, the log shows patterns and strengthens alternatives. Make to complete recovery steps, deepen practice, and integrate support. Commit to daily meditation for 10 to 20 minutes. Start guided if you need structure, because steady practice reduces reactivity. Also join a community or meet a teacher weekly to hold you accountable and offer perspective. If a slip occurs, act immediately. Follow your relapse plan, restore supports within 24 hours, and review what triggered it. Troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls, simplify, cut goals in half, intensify daily practice, and increase social.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.